Are you ready to experience the future of gardening? Say goodbye to soil, backbreaking labor, and unpredictable weather. Say hello to the URUQ Hydroponics Growing System, your ticket to growing your own fresh, delicious produce right in the comfort of your home. Our system boasts a high-efficiency 40-watt LED grow light that mimics natural sunlight. This promotes photosynthesis in your plants, leading to astonishingly fast, natural growth. In fact, it's 5 times faster than traditional soil gardening. Plus, the automatic 14 to 16 hour on-off light cycle simulates the sun's natural rhythm, eliminating the need for daily monitoring. We've designed our system with an ultra-quiet recirculation system featuring an automatic water pump. It operates at less than 20 decibels, ensuring a peaceful environment for your plants. The pump provides a steady flow of oxygen to boost root growth. You can monitor water levels through the viewing window, which includes a blue water shortage indicator. No need to worry about your plant's well-being. URUQ Hydroponics Growing System is fully customizable. Adjust the grow light's height to a maximum of 21 inches to accommodate the growth of your plants. The lamp board can be turned up to 180 degrees, ensuring that every part of your garden receives adequate light. And when it's time to clean, the removable light pole makes it a breeze. We understand that different plants have different needs. That's why we've included 3 growth modes: vegetables, herbs, and flowers/fruits. The veggie mode enhances blue light to encourage leafy growth, while herbs mode boosts UV light for increased oil production and aroma. Flowers/fruits mode emphasizes red light to promote flowering and higher fruit yields. Experience the joy of growing your own fresh produce year-round, without a green thumb. The URUQ Hydroponics Growing System is perfect for all ages, from curious kids to seasoned gardeners. It's an eco-friendly way to save money on food and reduce your carbon footprint. Join the hydroponics revolution with URUQ. Start growing your own delicious, organic produce today. Click the link in comment box to bring home this sustainable gardening marvel and enjoy the freshest, most flavorful harvests ever.